The 5 Ps framework for personalized mobile marketing, as published in Digital Marketing, Strategic Planning and Integration by Annmarie Hanlon, consists of mobile product, mobile promotion, mobile prediction, mobile price, and mobile place, all centered around personalization to enhance consumer engagement in mobile marketing strategies. In this video, I will explain each component with real-world examples to help you understand how brands apply this framework in practice. Mobile product. This refers to the physical device and apps used by consumers. For example, Spotify premium subscription on mobile devices. Users access Spotify through their smartphones and tablets, choosing their music on the go. Spotify Premium users can download songs and listen offline, offering a seamless mobile product experience. Mobile promotion, location-based benefits or offers that users receive. For example, McDonald's app, location-specific offers. McDonald's mobile app detects when users are near a store and sends a notification with a discount coupon. A customer walking past a McDonald's might receive exclusive deal, get a free fries with any burger purchase, only at this location today. Mobile prediction is all about how customer data, like previous interactions, is used to offer relevant content. For example, cinemas use SMS to remind customers of new movies. A cinema chain like Cineworld sends SMS reminders to customers who previously watched Marvel movies. Before the release of a new Marvel film, they receive, "Don't miss the new Marvel movie this Friday. Book your tickets now." Mobile price refers to prices that change dynamically based on time and location. For example, Uber's AI-powered surge pricing. Uber now uses AI-driven pricing models based on demand, user behavior, and weather conditions. If it's raining in London at rush hour, Uber's app will increase ride prices for high-demand areas while offering discounted shared rides to encourage eco-friendly travel. Mobile Place highlights the role of mobile in the customer journey. For example, IKEA's AI-powered AR shopping journey. IKEA's AR-powered mobile app lets users visualize furniture in their home before purchasing. Customers can complete the purchase directly through the app or get directions to the nearest IKEA store to see the product in person. In conclusion, the power of personalization is immense. All these elements work together to create a highly personalized customer experience, ensuring that marketing messages, pricing, and promotions are relevant and timely, enhancing engagement and conversion rates.